Hello students, all of you must be knowing about one very famous institute, organization which has taken picture. You can see the picture, this is picture of moon, and you must be knowing name of the organization, international body. It is Space Agency of America, NASA. And all the students are very much excited by the name NASA. Why I have shown this picture? Because in the year 2020, when all of us were under coronavirus, under the pandemic, we were thinking about lockdown and other things, scientists in America were trying to take some pictures on surface of moon. And in the recent pictures, they have found that on the surface of moon, there is more proportion of something which was not there earlier. That is, something means they recently found more proportion of metals. Today, our topic in the study is metals. We will see the chapter related to this. Name of the chapter is chapter number 3. It is about metals and non-metals. Again, come to the point. NASA ने जो निकाला, earlier there was less proportion of metal, but now there is more proportion of metal on the surface of moon. They are still finding the reason. Must be the earlier evidences or earlier data was false compared to this technology. Okay, now another thing in terms of metal and non-metal, we will see one more thing. Today's era, we are widely using metal. There are all the aspects in human life, all the fields around us where we are using metals tremendously. हर एक जगह बहुत यूज करते हैं metal. But earlier time, people were not aware about metal. Earlier, that period was known as Stone Age. Name of the age period is Stone Age. Why? Because people were widely using stone for hunting. एक एनिमल को अगर मारना है तो पत्थर यूज करते थे, पत्थर को फिर आगे से शार्प करना शुरू किया, बट तब तक उनको मेटल पता नहीं था. अब तक जितनी मेटल यूज करी, सबसे पहले मेटल कौन सी फाइंड करी वो शायद आपको पता होगा या आपके दिमाग में आए. जनरली सबसे पहली मेटल कौन सी होगी, ऐसा क्वेश्चन है तो आपके दिमाग में आएगा आयरन, लोखंड. क्यों? आयरन इज वाइडली यूज्ड, बट इट वाज नॉट आयरन. पहले आयरन यूज नहीं हुआ. लेट्स सी in the list of metals, first metal which was widely used is this. This is one coin. Name of metal is copper. Atomic number is written here 29. Its mass is written here 63.55. See the color. दिमाग में आता है ये, यही यूज होता होगा. आपके दिमाग में ये आया होगा, बट आयरन यूज नहीं हुआ. कॉपर वॉज फाउंड अर्लियर, लेटर ऑन आयरन वॉज फाउंड. करेक्ट. अब ये पता चलेगा कैसे आई मेटल यहां पे. मेटल इज देयर इन द अर्थ सरफेस, इन द क्रस्ट. Some scientists believe that at the time of origin of universe, some metals came on the earth due to hitting effect of meteors and meteorites. अलग-अलग theories है scientists की. This is about meteors or meteorites. बाहर से अर्थ के ऊपर बड़े बड़े रॉक लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट आए, उनके साथ मेटल आई है. वो कई साइंटिस्ट की थियरी है और उसके प्रूव करने के कुछ एविडेंसेस भी मिले, लाइक गोल्ड. So gold, it is believed that some heavenly bodies like comet fall on the earth, they brought some particles of gold. But these are different theories. Today we will mainly study about metals and non-metals. If you see around us, there are so many metals. Here are some of the metals. This image has metals. It has chromium, Mn, manganese, Fe, iron. 9th स्टैंडर्ड में आया है कि जहां जहां से मेटल मिली उस हिसाब से बेस्ड ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन दे आर गिवन सर्टेन नेम्स. Correct? So now we will begin with the chapter. This chapter is about metals and non-metals. आ जाते हैं वापस स्टोन एज को भूल जाओ, आयरन एज में आ जाओ और हमारी जो अभी की एज है वो है मेटल्स नॉन मेटल्स. वी हैव सम फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. मेटल और नॉन मेटल की प्रॉपर्टीज देखते हैं क्या है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग, metals are generally solid in form and their outer surface has luster. Luster means shine. बाहर की सरफेस है, इसके ऊपर शाइन होती है मेटल्स में. Second point, metals are generally hard and heavy. Hard and heavy metals. Then metals have high melting point and boiling point. MPBPs कहेंगे. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. That means heat can pass through it. है ना, थोड़ी देर रखेंगे गर्मी में तो मेटल गर्म हो जाएगी, करंट है उससे के अंदर से पास हो सकता है. राइट? सो मेटल्स हैव हाई एमपीबीपीज, गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. मेटल्स आर malleable and ductile. That means sheets can be made from metals, wires can be made from metals. And these metals produce ringing sound. That means they are sonorous. मेटल अगर कहीं पे गिरेगी टिंग आवाज आएगी. मेटल की स्केल क्लास में कहीं किसी ने गिरा दी, शांति का माहौल है ना, आपको भी लगेगा इरिटेशन और टीचर का तो दिमाग जाता है वो अलग से. क्यों? सडनली एक ऐसी आवाज आती है, दैट इज रिंगिंग साउंड एंड दैट प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड सोनोरस. Metals can be mixed together to form alloys. So these are general physical properties of metals. Physical properties, appearance के हिसाब से जो बना है वो है ना. Once again, metals are generally in solid state. They are having shine or they have luster, hard and heavy. MPBPs, heat and electricity, malleable, ductile, sonorous, alloy. दो एक जैसे मैंने साथ रखे तो आपको याद करना भी इजी हो जाए. Otherwise, you can make separate points. Metals are solid, luster, hard, heavy. MPBPs, good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are malleable and ductile. Metals are sonorous, means they produce ringing sound, and two or more metals can be mixed together to form alloys. On the other hand, here we have physical properties of non-metals. So these non-metals, metals are solid, they have luster. Non-metals are not solid, they are either liquid or gaseous form. They are either in liquid or gaseous form. Non-metals liquid or gas है, so they are not hard and heavy नहीं है. They have high MPBPs, so here they have low MPBP. एक साइड का ही याद रखना है तो दूसरा याद हो जाएगा. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are bad conductor or poor conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are malleable and ductile. They are not malleable and ductile. Metals are sonorous. They are not sonorous. metals produce alloys, they do not produce alloys. Correct? These are general physical properties of metals. But in the list of metals and non-metals, we have certain exceptional cases also. So these exceptional cases can be asked in objective. First one, like here, metals are generally in solid form, but if you take mercury, it is exceptional. Mercury is in liquid form. And number two, metals are hard and heavy, whereas non-metals are not hard. But certain metals like can be easily cut with knife. And hard and heavy है, but metal है, उसे easily काट भी सकते हैं. और काट सके ऐसी metals यहाँ पे है, short form में लिख देता हूँ उसका, वो है NaKli, NaKli, है ना. हार्ड मेटल्स जो है एक्सेप्शनल केस. सॉफ्ट मेटल, तो सॉफ्ट मेटल का एग्जांपल मैं लिख देता हूं यहां पे, हैवी वर्ड निकाल के, NaKli, NaKli, सुलाई, NaKli, NaKli. नाक इजीली काट भी सकते हैं. रिमेंबर ऑब्जेक्टिव है सोडियम, पोटेशियम, एलाइ, लिथियम. These are the three metals which can be easily cut with knife. Then metals have high MPBPs. दो example है, low melting point, gallium and cesium. Melting point is high, but exceptional case, let me write here, that is GaCs. Non-metals, liquid, and liquid non-metal is bromine. These are what? Physical properties as well as exceptional cases. Objectives बने, देखो. First objective, mercury is liquid metal. Metal which can easily cut with knife are this. Number two, NaKli. Metals having low melting point, gallium and cesium. Third point. Fourth one, this side, liquid non-metal. लिक्विड नॉन मेटल का एग्जाम्पल है ब्रोमीन, है ना. एंड मेटल्स एग्जाम्पल्स वी कैन गिव Na, है ना, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, लिथियम, गोल्ड, सिल्वर, आयरन, ऑल आर मेटल्स. नॉन मेटल्स एग्जाम्पल्स वी कैन गिव, एग्जाम्पल्स आर ऑक्सीजन, क्लोरीन, सल्फर, phosphorus, iodine. These all are non-metals. याद रहेगा. Here we have seen one difference. Along with the difference, we have certain objectives. Physical properties of metal. Exceptional cases. Mercury is liquid metal. काट सके ऐसी. Simple metal, soft metal. याद रखना NaKli. सुलाई 5-10 रुपया लाई नहीं, NaKli. NaKli, which can easily cut. Low MP, gallium, cesium. Liquid non-metal is bromine. Alright? तो हो जाएगा याद. Okay, right?